YouTubers, your Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing a wig that I got from Youth Beauty. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications. And if you like the video, just like the video. This is my co-host, my goddaughter, Imani. I promised her that she'd be in one of my videos. I am on vacation in North Carolina, which is why my background is very different. But I got a wig, like I said, from Youth Beauty. I'm not sure if you guys see on so cute. If you guys see on Instagram, Glamazon, I'm not sure if you guys follow her. She mentioned that this company was one of the companies that like a lot of Instagram hair companies get wigs from. So I wanted to give it a try. And it was relatively cheap. I want to say I paid like about $167 with a coupon code. So go ahead, Imani, unbox it. Open it up for us. Let's see what this wig is saying. First impressions means everything. Yeah. Later on, I'm going to be making a wig out of that hair that I got from Juicy Hair Fair. I don't know why I'm having a brain fart. But yeah, I'm going to be making a wig from the hair that I got from them. So I'm going to actually make a wig on camera for you guys so you can see what that process looks like. Yes, it's my natural hair. I didn't want to put any gel in it because lately I've been wearing wigs a lot. And I have been putting the Got To Be Glued freeze spray and gel in my hair. And I don't really like what it's doing to my hair. Like my edges are like, I got like a lot of these like short pieces. And I have short pieces, but now they're like this far back. So definitely not working for me. So as you guys can see, hold up, come on assistant, yeah. My beautiful assistant here, Imani. It comes in like one of these little, I call them a wig suitcase. So it's perfect for when you're traveling. I actually have a few of them that I use, I actually purchased them, that I use for my wigs when I travel. This way when I have them, put away that they are in good shape. But let's just open it up and see what it comes with. So it has their hair company, their label right on it, in addition to their website. But I'm going to leave the link down below for the details on this wig. Go ahead, assistant. Open the bag, my girl. She acting bashful. Like she don't want to open it up. Sis. Oh, wait. Before we get to the wig. Come on. Yeah, let her know it's our first time. You have to open all this up. And let me see what we get inside of here. So, we have... You ain't talking, Jill. You're shy.
We have a
wig cap.
And you put on your head and
before you put on your wig. So this has 2 of them in here. I have a whole bunch of these because I ordered a bunch of them from a DH hair company or something, like DH Gate, one of those like Chinese companies.
That are black.
Yeah, she has one too. What else is in the little bag?
Ooh, some eyelashes.
Ooh. Now this actually these are actually kind of nice actually. They fell. I would totally rock these. Let me show you guys what they look like up close. It's giving me like Lily's lashes. I actually was looking for some lashes that are like this, kind of like wispy, but then also full. I typically wear Lily's lashes, but if it came with it, it's free. Free is one of my favorite words. But yeah, let's just get right into this wig and see what's going on with it. Now, one of the things I eventually would like to do on my channel, I would eventually like to try out a lot of these hair companies. And I know it's going to be a little bit costly for me to do that. But I do want to try out a lot of these hair companies that claim that their hair is good. I don't want to say like debunk like any of these myths, but I want to see for myself if the hair is really as good as they say that it is. So I will be doing that going forward, as time goes along. I'm going to be letting you guys know, like, are these wigs really what people say they are, or is it just not that good? So yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe. Let's open this wig up.
Don't forget to hit that notification button.
Thank you, sis. Gotta love her.
And don't forget to like 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes. You gotta love kids. She's gonna be 7 next week.
Yep, October 2nd.
Don't be telling people about your business, girl.
Actually, that was
the truth.
pretend like I never said that.
Yeah, pretend. Pretend. Gotta love her.
Everybody that's listening to this, pretend like I never said that, because I don't want to tell you none of my business.
I was just telling you. I had to coach her a little bit.
Peace out.
I was like, when you open this bag, I said, you make sure you keep this address
You
towards.
don't tell him.
I go tell them. No, I ain't telling them where I live, and I telling them what happened. But I was like, you know, make sure you keep this part towards you so don't show my address. She was like, why? I was like, because people on the internet is crazy. They're crazy. All right.
Don't forget. Do not.
All right. I don't want the video to be long, Gil.
Don't show your address or else people will come.
They will come and find you. But yeah. Oh, this wig also has like the fake scalp method. Now I think they did actually give credit to the original person who came up with the idea, because as you guys know, on the internet there are a lot of people claiming that the original girl didn't get credit for it. So I like that they at least gave her credit even though everyone saw her idea. But yeah, let's just get right into it. And a little disclaimer before I actually go through and like touch this wig and let you guys know what I think about it. I know I'm always on my channel and I'm always preaching like, oh my gosh, this wig is so cheap, that wig is so cheap. I hope that people will understand about me by now that I am aware that, you know, if I buy a cheap wig, I have expectations for a cheap wig. But when I pay a certain amount of money for a wig, for hair, there's a certain expectation that comes with it. Like I paid $100 and something for this wig. The hair may not be the best quality. It may not last. I don't even think it might be hair, but at the same time, like I know the expectations that come with the price that I paid. So just putting that out there. But so far, come on, Imani, hold this up, hold this. The hair or whatever it is, blend whatever, because again at $100, I think $67, if that.
It's curly.
It is curly. Probably steam processed or chemically processed. Hold up, Gil. Bad assistant. It actually does feel really, really nice. Now my purpose for this wig was I'm not sure if you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link for that down below. I'm gonna try to put like a little tag here or here. You guys know how I do of my Instagram and other social media platforms that I do use. I have a wig that I wear. It's an everyday wig. It's getting old. The lace on the closure is starting to stretch and it looks crazy. So this is intended to be like my everyday work wig. I am gonna dye it or probably bleach it like brown, because that's what my everyday wig looks like. I just think like my natural hair looking black is fine, but in a wig it looks a little crazy to have it be like jet black. And as you guys know, this has probably been dyed, it's probably been steam processed, it's probably a blend. So I'm sure this color is really, really dark. Now I am gonna try this on for you guys. I want to say I may have gotten it in like maybe 16 inches, 14 inches. Gonna put that information here or here. You guys know how I do. Yeah, I'm tired. But yeah, I'm really impressed. I wonder if any of these other Instagram hair companies get their hair from them, because a wig of this caliber being that cheap, yeah, it's really good. So let's see. Falling all over the place. I'm filming for my gimbal because I didn't want to bring my entire vlog room with me. Yeah, all right, Gil? All right. Okay. So this whole like fake scalp thing, and like I know this whole like fake scalp business, I don't know, it just gives me, I want to say it gives me like a still closure kind of vibe. So this is what it looks like on the underneath. It kind of has that same kind of cap construction like Freedom Couture, has the elastic band with the adjustable straps, which are nice. And then the scalp.
100 likes.
100 likes. I'm hoping to get more than that, chick.
Or 2,000 likes.
Whatever she says.
Actually, give us 4,000 likes.
Okay.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification
bell.
Bell. And don't forget to subscribe a lot.
Right. Exactly what you said.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You see, it's something like a radio now, Gil.
The bell.
Something like a radio. But
and
yes.
The thumbs up.
Let me get back into the here now, Gil. Trying to take over. But yeah, so look at the scalp. It does actually look, I'm trying to get in here in the light. It does actually look pretty realistic. So I'm hopeful for this. I'm probably gonna stop this video and I am going to braid my hair in 2 braids and put this wig on so you guys can see what it looks like. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. So I'm back. I have actually cut the lace off of the wig. It does actually have a pretty natural hairline. Now I haven't put any like foundation or anything like that on here to tint it, and I kind of just cut it a little bit jagged, and it actually looks pretty good. The scalp is really, really natural looking. I'm probably not going to tint it at all or put foundation on it because I think it actually looks really natural just the way that it is. The part actually goes pretty far back. The knots are bleached. I mean, I'm really impressed. It's 167, I think 20 is what I said. Leave the price here. It's how much I paid for this wig. Now, I definitely feel like some of these other hair companies, with the cheaper hair or not so great hair quality, have a run for their money, because if this is where everyone on Instagram is getting their wigs from, then this is actually pretty good. So like I said, it's gonna be my work wig when I'm looking for a more expensive wig, something that I'm expecting to get, you know, more time out of, like, you know, more longevity. Then this is not one of the companies I'd go for if I'm buying blonde. I can't say that I'd buy a blonde wig from them. I have a few blonde wigs. Is this girl yawning? You tired of our girl? Who yawns in the video? Am I boring her? Okay, sis. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. But like I said, I'll come back to you guys. I'm gonna dye this brown because it's a work wig, and all black for a work wig for me doesn't really work. So I'm gonna put probably some brown streaks in it, let you guys know how that goes. Probably film that for you guys in a few days when I get back to Pennsylvania, because right now I'm in North Carolina. But that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Co-pilot, tired co-pilot, say bye, Nigel.
Bye.
Bye.